I will be showing you how you can go to Microsoft's website and you can book a exam for yourself. You have two options. You can either give the exam online, or you can go to the center and give your exam offline. Due to increase in COVID cases, many people are opting for an online examination. I myself have has given my AZ 900 exam online. So what you have to do is you have to go to this URL, that is docs.microsoft.com, and over here you have to go to learn. In this learn, you have to go to your certification section, and you have to go to browse certifications. Over here we have all the list of certification that Microsoft provides. Like, we can take all these exams according to our need, but over here we are looking for AZ 900, the first fundamental exam. So over here you can see we have two tabs. One is for like exam AZ 900 and one is for certifications. If you want to, let's open both of the links. Okay, so over here in the first link you can see like there is an overview about AZ 900 examination, that is Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, and you can see the content of this exam was updated on 9th November 2020. So over here this is section where you can schedule your exam. Okay, and you can see the exam is available in multiple languages like English, Japanese, Chinese, Korean, Spanish, German, or French. Over here there is a tab where you can select your country. Like, I live in India, so I will go to India, and I can see that okay, fine, I have to pay 3696. Over here we have three sections. The first one is for non-students interested in technology, for the people who are working or maybe who have completed their studies and they have to give this exam. And the second section is for students or instructors. Okay, and for job seekers impacted by COVID-19. Depending upon, you just have to click the yellow go to bar, and you will be taken to a page where you just have to fill your form, select your date, and do the payment. Secondly, I want to also talk to you about this link. Over here, this link tells us in detail about the certification, what exactly is Azure about. So when you are taking Microsoft Azure Fundamental Certification, you do not need to have a working experience or a deep core knowledge about cloud computing. If you are a beginner, if you are a fresher in cloud computing, this is one of the best certification, and it is actually the mandatory certification in many areas if you want to get started with Azure. So over here, all these are the 6 modules. Describe cloud concepts, describe Azure services, and all these things. And if you want to download the latest syllabus, you just have to click on this link, and over here you will get the latest syllabus. All these topics are covered in AZ 900 curriculum, and if you will be giving the exam, you will find questions on this curriculum. And you can see these are basic 6 modules, and I have a Udemy course and I have covered all these 6 modules in that. So if you are booking, I would say all the best. And when you book, just make sure you are checking the time zone, because the booking is in, I guess, EST or some other time zone. Just make sure that you book in your own time zone and give it online. When you will be giving in online, there will be a set of rules that you have to follow. You have to take 2 identity cards with you, like a passport or a PAN card or driving license maybe, and you have to keep your camera on. There will be a person who will be observing you, and you will be giving a specific amount of time, and you have mostly it's 1 hour 30 minutes, I do not remember. And there will be a set of questions. Some of will be multiple choice, and some of will have only one correct answer. Just prepare it and give it, and all the best.